Ever feel like 24 hours just aren't enough? Deadlines piling up, classes to attend, tasks left unfinished? In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful time management techniques that students and professionals can use, starting today. No fluff, no theory, just what works. Welcome back, skill seeker. Whether you're juggling exams, projects, a job, or all three, these time mastery techniques will change how you work, plan, and perform. If you want to master productivity and personal growth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let's dive in. Imagine 2 students. One carefully plans their tasks using the Pomodoro Technique, taking structured breaks to stay energized. The other crams everything at the last minute, feeling overwhelmed. Who do you think performs better? Let's find out how you can avoid the second scenario and take control of your time. Section 1. The Pomodoro Technique. Imagine this. You work in short sprints, just 25 minutes, then take a break. That's the Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes of deep focus. 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. Why it works. It eliminates burnout, boosts focus, and makes even boring tasks bearable. Bonus tip. Use a timer like pomofocus.io or even your phone. Set a 25-minute timer. Work with full focus, then take a short 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This helps prevent burnout and keeps you fresh. Section 2. Time blocking. What if your calendar didn't just show meetings, but also study time, creative work, workouts, even breaks? That's time blocking. You assign specific hours to specific tasks throughout the day. Example, 9 to 10, deep work, no distractions. 10 to 10:30, email and admin. 10:30 to 12, study, junk your project work. You gain control over your time instead of reacting all day. Best tool? Google Calendar, Notion, or even pen and paper. Instead of reacting to tasks as they come, schedule your day in blocks. Assign specific times for studying, emails, and meetings, just like a CEO does. Section 3. The 2-minute rule. Small tasks pile up. Replying to an email, sending a reminder, enter the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. You'll be surprised how many mini tasks are draining your focus just by sitting on your to-do list. It's perfect for busy professionals and students alike. Quick question. Which time management technique are you using right now? Comment below, and if you're finding this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps. Section 4. Eisenhower Matrix. You've got 10 things on your list, but which actually matter? Meet the Eisenhower Matrix, a 2x2 grid that helps you decide what to do, delegate, schedule, or delete. Urgent and important. Do it now. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. Urgent but not important. Delegate. Not urgent or important. Delete. This helps you stop being busy and start being effective. Feeling overwhelmed by your never-ending to-do list? Struggling to prioritize tasks? The Eisenhower Matrix is the ultimate productivity hack to help you decide what truly matters. Want to start using the Eisenhower Matrix right away? I've created a free Notion template to help you organize your tasks effortlessly. Get it in the description below. Section 5. Weekly planning ritual. Successful people don't wing it, they plan ahead. Every Sunday or Monday, do a weekly planning ritual. Review last week, set top 3 priorities, block time for each, add buffer time and breaks. It gives you clarity, confidence, and calm. Bonus, combine techniques. You don't need to pick just one. Combine them. Plan your week, weekly ritual. Use time blocking to structure your day. Work in focused Pomodoro bursts. Apply 2-minute rule for quick wins. Prioritize using Eisenhower Matrix. That's next-level productivity. Here's a quick recap of the 5 time mastery techniques. Checkmark Pomodoro Technique. Time blocking. 2-minute rule. Eisenhower Matrix. Weekly planning ritual. Don't try to master all at once. Pick one and start today. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try this week. If you found this video helpful, skill seeker, hit like and subscribe for weekly wisdom on skills, productivity, and lifelong learning. Remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. See you in the next one.